Okay, so let me power on my phone. Yeah, this kid has put a password on my phone. Damn. Okay, anyway, today is a quick one. So you find yourself in a situation whereby someone has locked up your phone, put in a password or a pattern. In this case, my little friend decided to put a security pin here, and I do not know it, or perhaps we just forgot it, or perhaps someone changed it. Fear no more. So I'm going to show you a quick process how to deal with this. Now, first of all, we are going to power off the phone. Most phones actually do power off even when it is not logged in. So I'm going to hold the power button and choose shutdown, and then OK. And that is my Samsung Galaxy S3 shutting down. So now that we've forgotten the password, we are going to perform what we call a factory reset. So for the Samsung, hold down the home button, the volume up key, and then hit the power button, and when it starts powering on, release the power button. I have released it while holding the home and volume up. So you see that Android fella coming onto screen, and when you look closely there, you can see that we have options: reboot for now, apply update from ADB, apply update from external storage, wipe data / reset. That's what we are interested in. The rest of the remaining two, no, nothing. So we are going to use the volume down button right there to move the selector downwards to what we want there, and then use the power button on this side to select it. And so we are going to hit the power button, and then it brings us to this, and no, they want you to be deliberate about it. That's why they put it all the way down here. So we want yes, delete all user data, and then again using the power button, select yes, and then it tells you wiping data, factory formatting /data. Then you can see that moving, then brings us here. Now since it has told us here data wipe complete, that the last line, data wipe complete, we can now go up and choose reboot by simply pressing the power button, saying that it's already selected, and that will bring us all the way and reboot the phone. So Samsung Galaxy S3. Of course, be notified that this is going to wipe any single information that you had on this device. So it should be the last resort. And if you lose any data, please, I'm not to blame. But yeah, so it's powering on. Samsung. You'll have to be patient, because remember, it has formatted your phone, and probably it's calibrating one or two things in the background so that you may be able to use. So just as a note to take home, this will work for mostly Android devices below 6. Those with whom you have not activated Find My Device, because then it will ask you to verify with your email address. But if you remember it, no worries, you just connect to Wi-Fi hotspot and verify. If you don't remember, then you just pray you hadn't activated that. But there's also another solution in case you have forgotten your email. So anyway, we are now setting up the phone. So here it has chosen for us English, United Kingdom. Sorry, forgive the auto rotate. I'm going to start, and next. This will be quite easy too. I'll skip the Wi-Fi. I don't need to do that right now. Say next, and then I'm going to skip. For right now, I don't want to put in a Gmail account, and then again I'm going to say not now. Here I'm just going to put the next arrow. I'm not interested in that, and so no thanks, and then finish. Okay, and then it starts with this tutorial thing. Swipe left or right, between home screen, and just like that we're into our phone. So the tutorials may continue all the way, just because I'm sure you already know how to use your phone. So, and right now the phone is as good as new with no data at all. So yep, I'm inside the phone. So that is it for today. So what I just showed you is how to perform the factory data reset on your phone if you've forgotten your password. One of the brutal solutions, but yeah, you would rather not forget it, because you'll have to sacrifice all your information and the phone comes back as new, like you just removed it from the box without anything, no installed apps, no photos, no videos, no nothing. Yeah, phone lookout, subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, this is a phone from almost 10 years ago, 2011 I think, or 2012. Samsung Galaxy S3, but the solution will work for most Samsungs, a lot of Samsungs, and even a lot of other phones that you may have. For certain brands, it will just be the reset screen or recovery mode will be activated by simply holding the volume up and hit power button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. See you in the next video.